Many Americans are wondering how the tariffs will impact their day-to-day purchases. WGN's Shannon Halligan shares which industries could be most affected.
Need to buy a new car? There's a tariff for that. Even U.S. automaker Ford Motor Company is working to understand how they'll be impacted.
We produce 80% of what we sell in the U.S. is actually made in the United States. So relatively speaking, we're in good shape. But the whole industry's, digesting a lot of the changes. We're working very closely with the administration right now to be able to get clarity in certain areas.
President Trump announced the new round of tariffs on Wednesday. He said they were designed to boost domestic manufacturing. However, the action amounted to a historic tax hike that could push the global order to a breaking point. Stock markets worldwide have plummeted to even further lows, worrying investors and retirees.
This feels like a catastrophe to me. It doesn't just feel like an adjustment. And I think that we won't know the real effect of this for a couple of years.
Following the latest round of tariffs, China announced retaliatory measures. The country will impose a 34% tax on all U.S. imports. That response was expected, according to one Chinese analyst.
China has always hoped to cooperate with the U.S. and is not willing to see the U.S. as an enemy. But if the U.S. wants to launch a trade war, tariff war, technology war, or the other wars against China, what China can do is to retaliate harshly.
Soybean farmers are particularly worried because half of their crop is exported. China has long been the biggest buyer.
Well, I think we're already seeing it. You know, our soybean market, the cattle market, like the futures prices for those have dropped pretty substantially just the last couple days. I think it's still a little uncertain of exactly how that's all going to shake out, but I think initially the markets are not responding favorably to those tariffs.
Sending children back to school is likely to cost U.S. families significantly more this fall. The American Apparel and Footwear Association said 97% of the clothes and shoes purchased in the U.S. are imported. Running shoes made in Vietnam, currently priced at $155, would jump to $220 according to trade group calculations. Shannon Halligan, WGN News.